Hello, guys. So, after Sporting Lisbon president dropping statements, when threatening say Gyokeres go stay there next 3 years, whether I like him or not, if Arsenal no do the needful. So now, Victor Gyokeres agent say don't come as I can respond. Get say okay, you don't reply the president. First off, remember I tell na talk say this thing na chess. Everybody they plus their hand. Get Arsenal just dey on the sidelines, they calm, don't observe the two warring parties. So Gyokeres don do im hand, e no come training. So president sef don give am im own hand sef say okay, we dey wait for you make window close, we go punish you, go pay fine, you get. Now the agents of Gyokeres, according to one journalist, yes, wey dey call Victor Almeida Goncalves, that works with Cabin Sports. So Victor Gyokeres' agent Hassan Ketinkaya come talk say im go speak publicly soon on this particular issue. Although he can give us small expo of wetin he wan talk. He can talk say we have written evidence of Sporting Lisbon's promise to let him go for 60 million plus 10 million in add-ons. I will release a full public statement soon. Now, e be like say the agent now wan release the documents. Remember, if you watch the morning show, I made a statement. I say this evidence wey Kaya dey talk saying get, we never see am. If you remember, I made that statement in the morning. So now we go see am because Varandas dey play ignorance, like say they are aware of Bogoviana's agreements. So if that agreement comes to the public domain, that is going to be a game changer. Now the public perception on this Gyokeres go turn to Sporting Lisbon and it will become in a negative way. Arsenal just dey dey observe. Arsenal no get. Arsenal just dey dey watch two of them. See wetin go happen at the end of the day. Because Gyokeres camp, say now we are not privy to what is going on. We could have a situation whereby Gyokeres camp go tell us and say, "Don't pay that money. Don't pay that money. This is extortion." I don't know me just dey talk on my own. Don't pay that money. This was the promise. This was what they promised us. The reason make Gyokeres do wetin dey do now so that make this matter go court, make this matter go court of arbitration or anywhere wey dey say go any panel, make everybody bring their own evidence. At the end of the day, you go see say Sporting Lisbon go dey found guilty, but Sporting no wan go that route. Because then no say my JB, you get, say they go hold there, go choke, get. So it is becoming more and more interesting. So Arsenal, they will just dey observe because the situation is getting more and more messy. And if Kaya drop this evidence when they talk say dem get, then drop am, everywhere go catch fire because the whole media in Portugal go first carry am before you come online. England go come do wetin, use am drink pepper soup. All of us go come talk about am. At the end of the day, people be looking at Varandas as a dishonest president. So I see this update. I say make I no sleep on the updates. Make I still let una know how things dey go. All right, guys, as we were.